We rescued a kitty.
Yes. Look at this kitty. Look at this. It's so huge and chubby.
He's a big baby.
Can I tell them about this story?
Sure.
So he is a Iran cat. In Arabic, it's called Shirazi. So
we rescued this kitty.
Yes, his name. Wait, let me speak a little. His name is Asad, which means honey boo.
It's just Honey, but she likes to call him Honey Boo.
Honey Boo. And then, so he's 4 or 5 months old. We actually don't really know if he's 4 or 5 months old, but we know he's between those. And he's such a cute baby. He is...
Pick my hand up. She's trying to peel my hand up.
Come on, show them.
So,
Show them the cutie.
he's so adorable. Where's that face? Show the face.
We're going to sleep.
Okay.
We rescued this kitty.
Wait, let me see her. There's this cute, adorable face. Can you say love to that face?
No,
You can, of course, see his whiskers come. And he looks.
Show them the kitty. Okay. And look. So, this kitty, we rescued him. It's a he, and we rescued him. He was actually under his hand. His leg was under. His tail was under his leg, under a rock, and he was stuck. So yeah, so we rescued him, and yeah, his tail is kind of broken, but they fixed it. You can kind of move it, not a lot. So yeah.
Well, I could show him that. Look how cute that tail is.
So we know like every single information about this kitty somehow. So my dad's friend, actually this is their kitty, but we took it because
we didn't really rescue him.
We did actually.
Yeah, I sure did.
Wait, let me speak. So how we did know that? So he is actually my dad's friend. He has his kitty gave birth to 4 cats, 3 are whites, and this is the only one. Then it got lost. Then he sold all the other kitties, except the big one. Only the one that's
small.
Fries. Only this one. So like he had in total he had 6 kitties.
Newborn.
No, 6 kitties in total. So there was the mama. There was the mama. There was the dada. And
can I just show him that cute kitty and talk? They could definitely hear you.
Okay, come on, look at me.
No, they could hear you, of course.
Yeah, but look at me. I don't like it. So yeah. So then there was the mama, the dada, and there was. Yes, there was the dada, there was the mama, there was 4 kitties. 3 were white and 1 was this color. So then
this color, like a beigey,
honeyish color.
Yes.
And then
and he's so shy. It's like so weird.
We also have to give him a week. Like for example, if you adopt him, you have to give him a week so he can get like used
and
to
also,
you.
Once we brought a cute kitty. It was so white.
But it died because it suffered.
It had a virus.
It suffered from a disease.
So yeah, and then we got this kitty
for free. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
So yeah, what was I gonna say? خلاص جود زهق ما خلاص جود سبيه. So So this kitty was actually like the man. He sold the 3 baby kitties. Then this one got lost, and yeah, then we found it under a rock next to his house. Around it, his tail was stuck there. So we got him and we rescued him somehow. It's a cute part.
Look, he's kind of crawling under my hand.
And yeah, he's a really cute kitty. Look at her. He loves cuddles. But
And
he doesn't,
scratches.
yes, but he doesn't really like it on the bottom part. He likes it mostly like under
His cheeks or like
he likes it on his cheek, on his chin, like under it here, his neck.
his head.
Yeah, he likes it like that.
And also his body, his tummy, he likes.
Yeah, he loves on his upper tummy.
Up.
Yeah, the part where it's not pink. So, yeah.
We got him.
And that means he hates you.
No.
I'm just kidding. I don't. Okay, never mind. So then, yeah, he got his vaccination like last month.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that because I couldn't even be here and I'm
She
his
wasn't
cousin.
here. She's my cousin. And her underwear's showing right now.
Oh, we forgot to introduce our names.
Yeah, my name is Lejane, her name is Jude, and the cat's name is Azhar, which is Honey Boo Boo Boo.
That's just how he likes to call him Honey Boo.
I
Oh my God.
love
Sure.
him. He loves to give me high fives, just like that.
Also me. He did it twice actually to me.
He like does it all the time for me.
High five. See? He just gave
My
me
turn.
that butt.
High five. No, get off, get off, get it. Get high five. High five.
She doesn't feel like.
Oh. خلاص بدون. So bye guys. So bye.